Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Got a lot of things happening in the kitchen right now, but we are going to make a Ninja Creamy ice cream. We love a vanilla bean ice cream. So I've got about 3/4 of a tablespoon of cream cheese in here. I softened it in the microwave for a bit. It's probably about a tablespoon. We're going to do 1/2 cup of sugar. I know I should usually do it in the dry one. Honestly, I don't know the difference. I'm going to add a little shy of this. Whoops. Plus a pinch. We're going to go in with 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste. This stuff's so good. It's ridiculous how incredible this stuff is. So delicious. 3/4 cup of heavy cream. This needs to be used up, so this is perfect. I already smelled it. Smells fine. 3/4 cup, and then basically 2 cups of milk. We always do 2%. We don't buy whole. It's a little heavy and a little shy. Just setting it in my clean sink because this is the space I got, y'all. We're tiny living. Work with what you got. Just gonna mix it with the hand mixer carefully. Alright, y'all. And we have the deluxe, so I guess. So we do 1.5 of the recipe. Just pour it in the little tub. And the recipe says if you freeze it without the lid, it'll freeze more flat, which is what you want, so your Ninja Creamy survives basically, so it lasts. This is one recipe that has done really well. My husband and I both really enjoy it. If you taste it, it's really sweet, but it turns out to be really delicious. There's still some sugar in here, so I just make sure to scoop all this out. And this, typically you'll blend a Ninja Creamy ice cream twice on ice cream. Do once on ice cream and do a respin, and then you can even add a tiny splash of milk and mix in dark chocolate chips, and it's amazing. So good, so easy. Oh, I'm just gonna use this to clean the sides because it kind of dripped down. You want it flat? Perfect. Just set it in the freezer without the lid and it'll freeze flat. Freeze it for 24 hours. All right, y'all. It's a new night. We've got our frozen vanilla bean ice cream. Under that little bit of weirdness is a delicious ice cream. We need the lid. Click her in. Now, we're just gonna do the top today. Oh, it's on ice cream. Perfect. I'm just gonna do it, add some chocolate chips, and mix in. The blade has finished cutting, whatever. Now it's rising back to the top. First spin usually is a little crumbly. Looks like Dippin' Dots. Interesting, huh? It's kind of like Dippin' Dots. I'm gonna clean the sides. And kind of dig a hole so I can put in some dark chocolate chips. My husband loves a lot of dark chocolate chips. And I'm going to add a drop of milk, cold milk. We are going to put the cap back on and respin or mix in. All right, y'all, let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Very soft. Man, that flavor, y'all. We've made a few recipes in the Ninja Creamy. We haven't made a ton. This is by far the best one, and we love it. It's thick, smooth, delicious, creamy. So good. All right, y'all. Now I'm making this cone for my husband. He loves a lot of cone, so I just fill the cone. I like this long spoon to push it in there. I use these spoons for everything. And then we're just gonna get as many chocolate chips as we can, but make it flat on top. There's a ton of chocolate chips right here, so I'm gonna add those just like that. So good. There you have it, y'all. Delicious ice cream, homemade in the Ninja Creamy. Bon appetit. We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.